hold the light. Alright, people. Master Stoney says, let's dampen this motherfucker. Says his old 2-channel Memphis is going to be better than my 4-channel Soundstream. So I'm going to see if I can see a sound comparison from the Soundstream 4-channel to the old Memphis 2-channel. Where's that 2-channel at, Stone? You know what my Soundstream looks like? There's the Memphis 2-channel. I'll give you a better look at it here in a minute. First, let's try the Soundstream. Let me find something with words. What's the next one? I ain't got no fucking words on it, come on. What the hell? Oh fuck, I ain't got nothing with words. Son of a bitch, it's a damn DVD drag CD. Fucking gay. Oh well. Fucking speakers probably are Bluetooth. Let's hook up with Memphis. Green means go! Look, it's light! Old school Memphis. 2-channel dirty motherfucker. Got the stupid ass downward power and ground and shit, but hey, it's all good. Sounds about the same to me. Ah! But, I mean, you know, it's highs. I don't know. The bass does sound a little cleaner, but I had my knob sent to whatever on my Soundstream. What's that gain set at on there, Stone? What did you set it at?
I think it's quarter.
Quarter?
I don't know much.
Quarter on the gains. I turned my head unit.
It's not a volume knob.
It is a volume knob. Crank it. Crank it all the way. Crank that volume knob. Crank that ochre volume knob. All of them. Turn them all off. Fuck it. Fuck it. Wire it down to fucking 0.1 ohm. All of it. Mids. I do that for the tweets. Anyway, it's a little tester. Haven't decided yet. No, we gotta take this top plate off. Maybe do some spray foam and that shit.